Can anxiety cause belching? Have you ever wondered if anxiety could be the reason behind that annoying belching? You are not alone in this thought. Many people experience this, especially those with sensitive stomach conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and colitis. The connection between anxiety and belching is quite fascinating and involves several mechanisms related to the gut-brain connection and the vagus nerve. When someone feels anxious, they often breathe rapidly and shallowly. This type of breathing can cause a person to swallow more air than usual. That excess air accumulates in the stomach, leading to the need to release it through belching. This situation is particularly common during anxiety attacks or stressful moments when breathing patterns become irregular. The body tries to expel the extra air, resulting in frequent belching. Anxiety does not just affect breathing, it also impacts digestion. When a person is stressed, hormones and signals from the nervous system can slow down or change how food is digested. This delayed digestion means food stays in the gut longer, which can lead to increased gas production. As a result, bloating and more belching occur. Additionally, anxiety can create muscle tension in the abdominal area, which may disrupt normal digestive movements and promote belching. The gut microbiome, which is the community of bacteria in our intestines, can also be influenced by anxiety. Chronic stress can disturb this balance, leading to digestive symptoms like gas, bloating, and belching. This is especially relevant for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome and colitis, as their gut flora and digestive functions are already sensitive. The vagus nerve plays a central role in the communication between the brain and the digestive tract. When this nerve is irritated by anxiety or conditions like acid reflux, it can contribute to symptoms such as excessive belching. Since the vagus nerve also helps regulate relaxation and digestion, any dysfunction can worsen digestive symptoms linked to anxiety. For those with sensitive stomachs, managing anxiety is essential to reduce belching and other digestive issues. Techniques like controlled breathing can help prevent hyperventilation. Stress management strategies and addressing any underlying digestive problems can also be beneficial. In summary, anxiety can indeed cause belching through increased air swallowing from altered breathing, disrupted digestion leading to excess gas, muscle tension affecting gut function, and involvement of the vagus nerve. Understanding this connection can help individuals manage their symptoms better and improve their overall digestive health.